I'm currently in this gold trade. Today I didn't wait for a retest, and we're gonna see if my emotions reward me for that or not. I officially lost on gold today. This was minus 258, and it's looking like it's trying to come back, and it's tempting, especially if I see my entry. I think I'm gonna just leave it alone, try again tomorrow. I did learn from this trade. Thought it was gonna go to this blue area first, but I saw that it was reversing here, and I guess I got FOMO. So lesson learned: if it don't come to your area, don't take it.